Hey everybody, this is Miss Harden. Today we are going to show you how to do a 4-digit times a 2-digit number using the break apart box method. Some of you call it break apart, some of you call it box method. It's the same thing. So first thing we're going to do. First of all, how many digits do you see in your first number? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so how many digits do you see in your second number? 2. Okay, so my box is going to be a 4 by 2 box. So I know I'm going to break this apart. I'm going to break this one going this way into 2 sets because this is my 52. And then I need to have this broken apart in 4 ways. Okay, so at the top, I see 4 boxes, right? This is 1,124. So let's break that number apart. Did you hear me say this? 1,000. Ooh, look at that. 1,124. That's how we get our first row of numbers. And I'm going to put it down here too, because this kind of helps people when they're multiplying. Okay. Now times 52. Well, 52. 52. Now, guys, I just put these on both sides just to help us kind of when we multiply. Okay? All right, now let's multiply. So we know we have to multiply our boxes. So I put my little multiplication symbols over here. Let's do this first corner piece. I know this is 50 times 1,000. Well, 5 times 1 is 5. How many zeros we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 50,000. Now this next box, we're going to take 100 times 50. So, or 50 times 100. Well, 5 times 1, that's 5. How many zeros we got? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 5,000. Okay. Now this next one, let's do our 20 times 50. 20 times 50. Well, what's 2 times 5? Well, 2 times 5 is 10. How many zeros we got now? 1, 2. 1, 2. That's 1,000. And this one's easy. 4 times 50. Well, 4 times 5, that's 20. How many zeros we got? 1. That's 200. Whew. We got that row. Good job. Now, this first row, we took everything times 50, right? Well, this bottom row, we're going to take everything times 2. All right, so the first one, 2 times 1,000. Yep, you got it. 2 times 1, we know that's 2. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Next row, next one over. 2 times, what's this one? Yep, 100. You know that one. That's easy. That's 200. The next one, we got 20 times 2. 20 times 2. That is 40. Because you took 2 times 2 is 4. How many zeros? That's 1. And the last one, super easy. That one is 4 times 2, which is 8. Now you say, oh, I must be done, right, Miss Harden? No. We have to do the following things. We need to add up all of these numbers. Woo! You got it. You got it. Well, a few ways we can do this. We could just do them all the way down. Okay. Or here's what I'm going to do. I am going to do something real fast. I'm going to put this over here. Copy. Let's put this back here. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Make this a little smaller. You guys have this on your paper, right? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, when you do this, you have to make sure you line up all of these numbers. All right. First things first, here's the first one, 50,000. 50, comma, 000. Next one over is 5,000. See your comma? Here's your 5,000. Notice how these are all getting lined up. Next we have 1,000. Notice how they're all still lined up. Next we have 200. Now I might give you a suggestion. Add that first row first, because then you don't have a ton of numbers to add. So this first row, I got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, comma, 0 plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus nothing is 5. So that's your first row, okay? So that's not the final answer, that's just your first row. All right, second row. Let's do this row now. Let's do 2,000, comma, plus 200, plus 40, plus 8. Notice how my ones are down here, my tens, hundreds, and 1,000. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus nothing is 2, comma. Now, this is my second row. Well, we must be done, right? No. We're going to take our first row and add it to your second row, okay? So your first row is 56,200 plus, now this says 2,000, so you got to line up the 2 and 1,000 spot, 248. Add them up. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, comma. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus nothing is 5. Ladies and gentlemen, your final answer. Can you say it out loud for me, please? 58,000. You got to whisper it. Just whisper it. 58,448. Good job, everybody. You just did the box method. Now, just to let you know, this one takes a lot more time than the long division. Just remember that in the near future, okay? Good job. I'm very proud of you. Keep working.